Hello and welcome. Join me as we journey into the heart of our living world, the Great Rainforests. These emerald realms are teeming with life, beauty, and importance beyond imagination. We'll explore towering canopies, winding rivers, and the hidden lives of rainforest creatures. This is more than a visual tour. It's an invitation to experience the pulse of the planet and witness nature's wonder. Let's begin our adventure into the world's most awe-inspiring rainforests. Our journey begins in the heart of South America, where the Amazon reigns as the largest and most biodiverse rainforest on Earth. Stretching across 9 countries, this vast green expanse is so immense that it is often called the River Sea. Its endless canopy forms a living, breathing tapestry that supports life on a scale found nowhere else. At the center of this ecosystem flows the mighty Amazon River, a labyrinth of waterways that winds for over 4,000 miles. These rivers and tributaries are the lifeblood of the forest, shaping the land and nourishing an astonishing diversity of plants and animals. The river's seasonal floods create a dynamic landscape, constantly renewing the soil and supporting countless forms of life. Here, 1 in every 10 known species on Earth finds a home. From the elusive jaguar stalking through the undergrowth to the iridescent blue morpho butterfly fluttering in shafts of sunlight, each creature is perfectly adapted to its own unique niche. The Amazon is a living laboratory of evolution, where new species are still being discovered every year. The forest canopy is alive with the calls of howler monkeys echoing through the trees, while slow-moving sloths blend seamlessly into the branches. On the forest floor, armies of leafcutter ants march in endless lines, carrying pieces of leaves many times their own weight. These tiny engineers play a crucial role in recycling nutrients, helping to sustain the entire ecosystem. The Amazon is often called the lungs of the earth, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen that sustains life around the globe. Its influence extends far beyond South America, affecting weather patterns and climate systems worldwide. With billions of trees stretching to the horizon, the Amazon acts as a planetary life support system. It helps regulate the global climate, stores immense amounts of carbon, and provides fresh water to millions of people and countless species. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples have called this forest home. Their cultures, languages, and traditions are deeply entwined with the rhythms of the rainforest. They possess a profound knowledge of the land, passed down through generations, and their wisdom is vital for the forest's survival. These communities are the original guardians of the Amazon, viewing the forest not just as a resource, but as a living, sacred entity deserving of respect and protection. Their stewardship is a testament to the deep connection between people and nature. Yet this irreplaceable ecosystem faces grave threats. Deforestation, illegal logging, and devastating fires are pushing countless species toward extinction and destabilizing the global climate. Each year, vast areas of forest are lost, leaving scars that may never fully heal. The loss of the Amazon would not only accelerate climate change, but also erase millions of years of evolution and the intricate web of life that depends on this forest. The consequences would be felt across the planet, affecting us all. But there is hope. Conservationists, activists, and indigenous communities are working tirelessly to protect and restore the Amazon. Through reforestation, sustainable practices, and global cooperation, they are fighting to ensure that this vital ecosystem endures for generations to come. To stand in the Amazon is to feel the overwhelming force of life all around you, a vibrant reminder of the beauty and complexity of our natural world, and of what we must strive to protect. The future of the Amazon depends on our collective action. Every choice we make, every effort to conserve, brings us closer to safeguarding this living treasure. The Amazon's fate is in our hands. Let us answer the call to preserve this irreplaceable wonder, for the planet, for its people, and for all life that calls it home. Next, we cross the Atlantic to Africa's Congo Basin, the world's second-largest tropical rainforest, a place where time seems to stand still and the pulse of the ancient earth still beats strong. Stretching across 6 countries, this immense green expanse is a living, breathing heart at the center of the continent. The mighty Congo River, the world's deepest, carves its way through this vast wilderness, shaping a mosaic of habitats, from dense swamp forests to sun-dappled drylands. Its waters are the lifeblood of the region, nourishing countless species and connecting remote communities. Within these forests, Families of gorillas, chimpanzees, and the elusive bonobo, our closest living relatives, thrive. Each species has its own intricate social structure, with bonds of kinship, cooperation, and even conflict echoing our own. Their presence is a reminder of our shared ancestry and the mysteries of intelligence and emotion in the animal kingdom. Forest elephants, smaller and more secretive than their savanna cousins, quietly shape the ecosystem as they move through the undergrowth. By dispersing seeds and opening up pathways, they are the gardeners of the forest, ensuring its renewal and diversity. The Congo is also home to extraordinary creatures found nowhere else on Earth, like the mysterious okapi, a relative of the giraffe hidden in the shadows, and a dazzling array of birds, from the great blue turaco to vibrant sunbirds, filling the air with color and song. For thousands of years, hundreds of ethnic groups, including the Pygmy peoples, have called these forests home. Their deep knowledge of the land, passed down through generations, is woven into their culture, music, and stories. The forest is not just a resource, it is their identity, their history, and their future. The Congo Basin is more than a sanctuary for wildlife and people. It is a massive carbon sink, storing billions of tons of carbon in its ancient trees and vast peatlands. This natural reservoir is crucial for stabilizing the global climate, helping to regulate the Earth's atmosphere and weather patterns. Yet, this ancient heartland faces grave threats. Logging, mining, and poaching are carving away at the forest, endangering wildlife, eroding cultures, and releasing stored carbon into the atmosphere. The balance between progress and preservation hangs by a thread. Across the region, conservationists, rangers, and local communities are rising to the challenge. National parks and community-led initiatives offer hope, protecting endangered species and empowering people to become stewards of their own land. Ecotourism brings new opportunities, but the challenges remain immense. The fate of the Congo's wildlife and people depends on international cooperation, sustainable development, and the empowerment of local voices. Only by working together across borders and cultures can we ensure this irreplaceable wilderness endures for generations to come. To explore the Congo is to feel Africa's ancient heartbeat, a world of shadows, life, and deep connection, where every breath of wind and call of a bird is a reminder of nature's resilience and wonder. Its protection is not just a local concern, but a global imperative, vital for the health of our planet and the future of all life. The Congo stands as a testament to nature's endurance, a living legacy of the past, and a call to action for us all to safeguard this ancient, irreplaceable heart of Africa. Our final destination is Australia's Daintree, the oldest surviving tropical rainforest on Earth, a place where time seems to stand still. This ancient landscape has thrived for over 180 million years, predating even the Amazon and the dinosaurs' extinction. Here, ancient trees meet the coral sea, creating a unique convergence of reef and rainforest. Nowhere else on the planet do two World Heritage Sites, rainforest and reef, touch so closely, forming a rare ecological partnership that supports an astonishing diversity of life. Walking through the Daintree is like stepping into prehistory, surrounded by living fossils and plants from the age of dinosaurs. Towering ferns, cycads, and ancient conifers line the forest floor, their ancestors having witnessed the rise and fall of entire continents. The southern cassowary, a striking flightless bird, is a keystone species, dispersing seeds and sustaining the forest. With its vivid blue neck and helmet-like casque, the cassowary is both elusive and essential, playing a vital role in regenerating the rainforest by spreading the seeds of over 100 plant species. Tree kangaroos leap through the canopy, while saltwater crocodiles patrol the rivers, reminders of the forest's wild past. The Daintree is home to creatures found nowhere else, from tiny marsupials to ancient reptiles, each adapted to this lush primeval world. The Kuku-Yalanji people, traditional owners of this land, have managed and protected the Daintree for tens of thousands of years. Their stewardship is woven into the very fabric of the forest, with knowledge passed down through countless generations. Their deep knowledge and cultural connection are vital to the forest's survival. Through stories, ceremonies, and sustainable practices, the Kuku-Yalanji ensure the Daintree's health, teaching us that true guardianship means living in harmony with nature. Despite its resilience, the Daintree faces threats from invasive species and climate change, endangering its unique life forms. Rising temperatures, shifting rainfall, and human encroachment put pressure on this delicate ecosystem, risking the loss of irreplaceable species and ancient wisdom. Conservation campaigns, land buybacks, and community reforestation are helping to heal and reconnect the forest. Volunteers and local groups work tirelessly to restore damaged areas, planting native trees and removing invasive weeds to give the Daintree a fighting chance. The passion of locals and traditional owners is a powerful force for protection. Their collaboration inspires hope, showing that when communities unite, even the most ancient landscapes can be safeguarded for future generations. To experience the Daintree is to witness the endurance of life and the stories written in every leaf. Each step along its winding trails reveals new wonders, rare orchids, secretive animals, and the quiet pulse of a world unchanged for millennia. It's a living library of evolution, timeless, irreplaceable, and deserving of our care. The Daintree's plants and animals are chapters in the story of life itself, offering clues to our planet's past and hope for its future. The Daintree reminds us that some treasures must be cherished, not measured. In protecting this living museum, we honor not just its ancient roots, but the promise it holds for generations yet to come. Our journey through the Amazon, Congo, and Daintree reveals the beauty and complexity of our planet's rainforests. These forests are the lungs of our world, cradles of biodiversity and homes to ancient cultures. Their future rests in our hands. Through conscious choices and support for conservation, we can help ensure their survival. Let the wonder of these forests inspire us to become better stewards of our planet. Thank you for joining this exploration into the green heart of our world. Until next time, may you find wonder in the world around you.